In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this Xiaomi. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Play Store. Now you need to access background apps. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this square button. And now from background apps, just hold your app. Then click on this little icon under padlock. Tap on home button and select the other app, like Chrome. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!